Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix battery draining very fast on iPhone after update iOS 16.6 public beta 2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Check your battery health. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, tap battery health and charging. iPhone display information about your battery capacity, peak performance and whether your battery need to be serviced. Solution number 2. Turn off location service. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security. Tap location service. Turn off location service. Again turn off. Solution number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 4. Turn on do not disturb mode. Open the control center on your iPhone. Tap on focus. Turn on do not disturb mode. Solution number 5. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general, tap software update. iOS 16.6 public beta 2 is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.